Hey there, I'm Priya Mandal and I'm currently interning as a UI/UX designer. So, coping up with the new way of designing and the experience is really challenging. And as it has a lot of impact in the e-commerce, I learned a lot on how to really focus on design on the basis of online shopping. Learned new market trends and what works and what doesn't. It when it comes to grab the attention of customer for your products. It was a really beneficial workshop for me and I appreciate ECOMJET for the work they put in. I am looking forward for more. Thank you.
My name is Soren and I am a student from iDomination and currently pursuing BTech in metallurgy. The e-commerce Kickstarter workshop was really informative and was highly effective in gaining new knowledge and new perspective of opening up a new path in online commerce. The resources and the tools and strategies which I've never heard of was gained from this workshop, and I'm confident enough to do something in this field as the workshop has really motivated me. Thanks to ECOMJET for organizing this workshop and looking for more in future.